Hi guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. In this video we'll talk about how to prepare for the non-CAT exams. Non-CAT exams, I mean to say the exams which are Nmat, Iift, Snap, TIS, Cmat, CET and Iift. The speciality of these exams are nothing but these exams are speed based exams where you have less number of time and you have more question to attempt. And the difficulty level of these exams are lesser than the CAT exams. So in CAT exam you have much time, but the difficulty level of the question is way more higher than these exams. That is what the major difference between the CAT exams and the non-CAT exams. So syllabus wise, if you compare CAT and the non-CAT exams, so quantitative aptitude, which is your mathematics section, is almost same. If you have prepared for the CAT exam, so non-CAT exam is cakewalk for you in terms of the quant. Also in English section, reading comprehension is the one which is common in non-CAT and the CAT exams. But non-CAT exam also asks the question based on the vocab, grammar based question, which do not comes in the CAT exams. Also logical reasoning section, if you compare, so CAT logic section and the non-CAT logic section is 60% is different, because CAT just asks puzzle based question, whereas the non-CAT exams ask puzzle based question along with the traditional logic like number series, coding, decoding, syllogism, etc. And very important thing, in CAT you do not have a GK, whereas the Snap, Iift, TIS, Cmat, these all exams have the GK. So now let's see what are the section and the area which you should prepare for the non-CAT exams. First is the verbal section, which is nothing but your English section. This section will test your more of the reading skill, because reading comprehension will be coming in this section, and vocab based question, and third is the grammar based question. So you have to prepare for these three sections very well if you want to get good marks in the verbal section. And the resources which you can use to prepare for these sections are the Hindu newspaper. So reading newspaper is very important, guys. Read the first page and editorial page of the newspaper, which is very important. So if you are reading editorial on daily basis, so it will take care of your reading comprehension and the vocab based question. Now to prepare the vocab, you can buy the Word Power Made Easy. This is the best book which is written by the Norman Lewis. And for grammar, if you have joined us, so we take the classroom session and we also made the video for the important rules which is based on the grammar and which are keep on coming in the exams. These are the three things which you have to work on for the non-CAT exams for the verbal section. Next is your quant, DI, DS and DC, which is nothing but your quant section. This section will test your calculation speed and your data analyzing skill for the DI. Sources which you can use to prepare for this section are R.S. Agrawal book, Quantum CAT LOD 1, which is level 1, and the Manoeuvre quant book. So these are the three things which you can refer if you want to prepare for the quant section. Third is your logical reasoning section. This section will test your logical skill and your analytical skill. And the resources which you can use to prepare for this section are verbal and the non-verbal of R.S. Agrawal, magical book for the analytical reasoning written by the K. Kundan, and Manoeuvre logic book. These three things are sufficient to prepare for the logical section. Fourth one is a GK section. Two kind of a GK you will be getting in your exam, static and the current affairs, except the Snap exam, because Snap asks 2 years of current affairs, whereas the TIS, Cmat and Iift exams ask current affairs and the static GK. So to prepare for the GK section, you have to work on your newspaper on daily basis, and Lucent book is very good for the static GK, and Manoeuvre ebooks for the current affairs and the static both. So these are the 4 sections, guys, which you have to work on well if you are preparing for the non-CAT exams. So many of you start with the CAT preparation, but some of you cope up with the CAT level questions. So some of you not able to cope up with the CAT sort of a question, and hence many people move to the non-CAT exams and they perform well in these exams and score good marks and end up with the top colleges for MBA. So if you are planning for the non-CAT exams, so you have to prepare these sections very well, guys. Alright, fine. So drive your preparation much faster than the speed of growth against your competition. I repeat, drive your preparation much faster than the speed of growth against your competition. So you have to thorough prepare for this section if you are dreaming for the top B school for MBA. So you have to focus very much about your preparation. You have to plan very well, and accordingly you have to prepare, and finally you have to execute for the exam. Alright, so don't cry, guys, just fly. Don't cry, just fly. Be positive for next couple of months and do well prepare for these exams, and definitely you end up with the top colleges for your MBA. Okay, if you want to join us, so you can call our counselor. For online program you have to call on 8828581455, and for classroom program you have to call on 9076424208. And please click on this circle and subscribe the channel, guys, because I'll be putting more video based on the CAT and the non-CAT exams. All the best and thank you.